Is that for you? Is that for you? Is that for you, Footster? Is that for you?
Listen, that takes it of you
What
guys.
is it? What is it? What? What is it?
The fiction has just been recorded.
Is that exciting?
She's like, nice saying as it is
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
in my food bowl.
Is that nice? Oh, now we're itchy, are we? Oh. Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, this is gold.
What?
What's the?
Footster? I don't have it.
Oh. It's like, is this really for me? But it's like, is there food in there for me?
She can smell it. I can smell it, and I'm not a cat.
I guess we
With
are
an
too.
ultrasonic nose. Okay, that's enough teasing the cat.
Okay, anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.